so eye ema obra se na be ya e betenetene yen na da bia ye hu ba bia ye kɔ se eye anase enye enu nti ye wo mpanyifo bi omotu omo ho asiwo so omo de omo ye counselors a omotufo se na be ya wo a wotifie me no ye be famu aba na abribia no etimi adirect ye to the right path near the aboyebra enemy guest no a counselor nansa na meda ne di no mama na aboa for masomase na watch bi a metimi di djuma di April e wo Adum TV so e time herbal mixture osi malaria de wadro and the time we are now the givers clean care SCC fie na efie ate han lip tomato paste osi oba no aduane na aduane enye de na aduane be ye de de a eno ane lip o lip empanyifoi e na asomase na me di season 5 April e wo Adum TV me guest a counselor Charlotte Oduro and a year better chinko mami akwaba oh ayefe
me that's it
me who bibi wo ho onye makeup me pacho aden
that's my personal covenant.
Okay,
yes, with God, that's it.
With God me pacho komu e bia na aboa ye na ye nim na yesu yetimi agya ye de no.
Oh, it's personal. The channel is I have given up so many things, so I will be able to more committed to God. And yeah, me personally, I'm
okay.
Because na me who say, na me makeups, na me share wig, me share bibia. I realized it took much of my attention.
Okay.
To me dress, na me pin, na me ko preach here. I'm careful. Me person me who be here. It's the way I want to float me into me. Then I made up my mind. Okay, fine. Let me forget it. Me yes, I have 14 years. Me need to make up
14 years. Yes,
I'm fine.
Personal decision. I don't interest ye.
No, I will choice.
Yeah, that's say your friend I'll buy it. Yeah, it's you most time our radio, TV, and then aside that, you being a counselor, who you juma for become.
Me remember jack of all trades. Me I do a lot of things. It'll be a wedding, me drinks, juice, bibia. Everything that me name say beboa me bia. I do it. Yes. Papa say me preachy. Papa say me too for. Papa me go school so.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I do a lot of things. More Wisconsin University.
Tia no so nyina kakra, ti school kakra, drink kakra,
counseling
kakra, aware kakra. Efie niam bibia.
Me tontade as far as ebeboa me.
Oh, you're okay with it.
That's it.
Oba industry, mo say na your counselors be pray, e na waba. But as a wepie, as a nso me bia waba be pie wo. Unya time.
What time is normal?
Treatment in it here.
And normal.
Time normal.
Baby, I hear free. Baby, I free. So school is kindergarten pattern. What from? We are used to say and share problems, sir. We are so one tia so to me Bobra, yeah, because so to me this will be a don and they be a from so. But we are aware. We are that is it. Nipa Ghana for kase do mu chia mponi mpose. Nyame pagya. And na we bibi obi ntimi nya bi.
Na kan na ba.
That is it. Ontimi nya bi ntino no wakase atia o. Onte wasintini no oka ne opa atia o. Okay. Ba nya nipa Kenya na eti. Woni mu ho de anya na obi kana oti.
Okay. You being a counselor, eya na mo de mo amabrabo ene tufo. De makomo abrabo no ne tufo ana ye book.
Me dey read the book.
Okay.
It's good, so we read the book.
Okay.
But me dear, nyame na kasa dey make me process.
Okay.
So most of the time make a bia na me dey me hu shame.
Okay.
Because you are God of Jacob.
Okay.
God of Isaac, Obiaka, but God of Charlotte.
Okay.
You are me afemu no. Any day nyame ka kire me, any day me hu no. And me dey too full. Makomu school dear yes because school no because I say ni pakasenti.
Pakasenti no
akasa. Yes, that is it. Okay. And you know book ne mekan just to learn people's ideas but
the photo ni dey wan kasa
me info me kan book bi anya photo de nyame dia ma me de me ama kom no na me dey photo de ama obi.
Okay, you hu say we TV program bi go say
hold on
hey the Jennifer hey asemu Mame I don't die.
Not timing no.
Any nyuma no doors.
A doors na me school so na esi me school kwan. Me ma no so sa.
Nkra so ofie.
O ma enti no. Me June I must say no. Say I don't bet me a check time mama me but no pennies are.
Full time.
No pay full time. Me to me yes. So I had to me my hold on kakra. We school and then I deal with it.
Now you deal with it.
Yeah.
Recently, yet controversies about you, like your bodia, na okogogola, in Sembebre and Eba. There was this controversy. I say. Yeah. You don't respect your husband. Yeah. How did you feel when saw article as a counselor?
Oh, I'm not a perfect person.
Okay.
And I baby no imagine I say me a perfect there.
Okay.
Me baby I'm free me fizongo. It's many a day. It's in the beginning of my marriage, you know. That was the beginning of my marriage. Na ye din say. Na ye say me mbuno. But na ye me din say me brem wase.
Okay, you didn't want to be submissive.
No.
Okay.
Na my problem was that what's a mentna ha chemi the enti mentna ho. It's not my little difficult. Be sure on the bag or you're very quiet or you're cool no Holy Ghost takes don't you the bag and me background now. Me didn't go yes so what's say and when you there so more there. Oh, that is how people see it.
It's not how can
the one and but hame nipa there who nyinia we grow, we learn, we become better. It's a one media na woka. Oh dear.
It's true.
Adia obeka say yem for 3 days in can minutes ma kan wi na me ko.
Yeah, so
and I think say he was getting offended. Yeah. You couldn't get a little offended. As a muno say Ghana no only maybe o yes buade nkotokoto form. Me me pretended. And then after now I mean to me. Pretending there be me on my own will.
Are you a Capricorn?
Me come be am wo.
Okay.
Because me better be identify me with one particular thing. And so in the beginning was like that. It was difficult to understand him. Yeah, let me jibe me call my pocket call bebre. Oh bebre, me bebre because na me tell me one say. Na me friend say o shame so me biom.
But I say the what one say.
Oh, nyame adom. And also just say na me can say me perfect. No,
still
me working on yourself. But now it's better.
It's better.
Yeah, and then tell me mama is also.
Yeah, because what you say.
Baby, I'm doing my woman and Sambi na.
Okay.
I say baby, I don't know how I pay me say no, dia kwa na enya kwa de be my phone is sana.
But me when you say if it ase na e din ni mama boa wo obi wo ho a omo pretend earlier na e chire na ware na go but we yes and wetimi aputi things aboa mo correct wo
I get the best out of me.
Yes.
Me be na first me ntimi nyanne na me adum because me ntimi kama say me kama no atum
also ntimi nka na asema anu mo pa de enya possible ye ntwa ye ho nkwaje nka so ye ba ye beto ase
time please
say malaria when I'm not too for I want to so time herbal make sure malaria when I'm not too for I want to so time herbal make sure time herbal make champion, fever draw, booking con, a comedy a draw, tatache, and one time ever make sure, time ever make
onyem ne nneoma no phone abofra ondi ifie dumienu entimi mfedro yi
hospital anasa lab mienya wo a 3-day mu nhwehwemu ansa na wetimi anomedro yi bi
kayo set time no e time
FDA agi adwadie nkratoa yi atum
tomato mix na mo dey area I want to leave tomato mix in Ghana. Yanko.
Oh, this is what I call Adrian.
Secret Nani LEAP. Lip. Someone who is a leaf tomato mix there. It was superb and palatable taste. No soup, so there were large and small sizes for 12 bars restaurants and if you feel.
This advert is FDA approved.